The Division of Environmental Response and Revitalization has a number of programs, including the regulation of hazardous waste. That includes permitting, it includes compliance and inspections. We also oversee cleanups. They can be state enforcement sites, federal facility cleanups at Department of Energy or Department of Defense sites. They can be voluntary cleanups through our voluntary action program. In addition to hazardous waste regulations and cleanups, when a business is closing, we oversee to make sure any chemicals remaining on site are properly managed and disposed of. STIR protects human health and the environment with our hazardous waste program by understanding where hazardous waste is generated, who's generating it, making sure they follow all of the regulations to properly manage it, to treat or dispose of it as necessary, and to ensure that that's not being handled or mismanaged in any way. And then also cleaning up legacy contamination at other sites across the state and removing those exposures from our environment.
This one in particular was an old quarry first, and then they put trash in here. To see the project come to life, and it's still growing. I mean, you can see the construction behind us. The views here over the ponds, you get the wildlife coming in, the sunlight coming through the building. It's just a great atmosphere for our team.
It's great to see a site that has been a safety hazard often be managed and taken care of and put back into productive use, and have a community, have a new space that, they can be proud of.